grow up, each of you will have a part to play in the community. Dream big. What will you be? You could be a firefighter, a doctor, or best of all, a teacher like me. Or you could be a race car and take part in all the big, high-speed races.
There's so much we could be. A firefighter, a space explorer.
I want to be a lighthouse.
What about you, Scout?
I want to be a race car. Speedy Scout, winner of the big race.
That's awesome, Scout. I bet you'll be the fastest race car in history.
And I'm going to be the race talk guy. It's Speedy Scout, ready for the big race. And there's her helper, Buster. Here's the world champion, the most awesomest race car in the whole world. It's Chase Octane, the turbo car.
You can do it, Scout.
Ready, steady, go, 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 go!
Can you hear me, Scout?
Loud and clear.
Quick, take that right turn. It's a shortcut. No, that's a left turn.
My bad. Woohoo! I'm faster than a rocket. Oh no! Buster! I have a flat tire!
Don't worry, Scout. I'm coming. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry. Pardon? Ah!
Buster?
I got a tire.
It's too late. I'll never catch Octane.
Sure you can. If anyone can catch him, it's Speedy Scout.
Here comes Speedy Scout, out of nowhere. The excitement, the speed. Speedy Scout is the winner. I'm speechless. Oh, wow. What a race.
I knew you could do it, Scout.
Thanks. I couldn't have done it without you.
Making me laugh.